Hi, in our last video we talked about how to create a professional table of content. So if you haven't watched that video, please look for it, how to create a professional table of content. Watch it to create the table of content you see above. Now in this video we want to talk about the Harvard in-text citation. There are two ways you can do the what is called the author prominent or the information prominent. So if you bring the name of the author, as you can see what I'm doing at the top here, where I say according to Idigbekwe, the name of the author is coming first. So for the Harvard, you write the surname, then put the year of publication in brackets before the information. However, if you want to do it the other way, which is called the information prominent, you bring in the name of the author, surname, no comma. I'll remove the comma. No comma. You bring the name of the author at the last part, but everything will then be in bracket. So the surname of the author in bracket, no comma, then the year, then full stop. So ensure that the full stop is not stopping at the end of the sentence. The full stop is not stopping at the end of the sentence. This is for a single author, So I'm removing the comma because Harvard doesn't allow the use of comma before year. So it is surname, then the year, if it's for one author. Now, you could have a paper with more than one author. For example, you have Idigbekwe and Johnson. With this, you just add the word and Johnson, then the year 2020. Still the same thing. But if you then have three authors, that's when you then start talking about comma, where you have to mark off the first one. So if I have Idigbekwe, comma, Johnson, and let's say OKK 2020, so you can have this is correct, and you can have it too at the beginning, which is called the author prominent or the information prominent. So if it comes last, it's information prominent. If it comes first, it's author prominent. Now for Harvard, if you have more than three, that's four or more, you use the word et al. So you can have the surname of the first author, then et al. To show that yes, it's more than three, then 2020, which is the year of publication. It can be any year anyway. You only add page number if you are citing what has been quoted verbatim. Else, you don't need to add a page number. Now, to add a page number, you say comma, then P for page number, let's say page 2 or 20. That's to show that what you are citing is verbatim. Then you can put the quotation mark to show that what you are citing is verbatim. If it's not direct quotation, you don't need to put the page number. You are not obliged to put the page number. So the Harvard referencing does not allow the use of page number if you are not quoting or presenting what the author said originally. Okay, if you have any question, type it in the comments. Bye.